We put this video together so you can see how easy it is to proofread any website. It literally just takes 3 steps. First, you go to triplechecker.com, you click proofread for free, you put in the website of interest. For this demo, we'll proofread exxonmobil.com, the email address where you want the error report to be sent to. Since it could take 30 minutes or longer depending on how many pages a website has, we've gone ahead and proofread the website ahead of time. So here is the report for ExxonMobil. If you visit their website, you'll see that they redirect you to the corporate subdomain. So that's what ended up being proofread. On the top right, you have a summary for total mistakes. So that includes typos, grammatical errors, spelling mistakes, total broken links, data blast scan, and the ability to download the error report as a CSV. In the core section, you'll find a list of errors, the suggested correction, the context from the page where the error was found, and also which page the error is found on. So for example, let's take a look at the first error publicly. We'll visit the report, Control F, publicly, there we go, one too many L's. Let's go back to our report. Let's try the second error. Control F, yep, it's missing a space. And it's not just uncommon words that are often misspelled. You have subscribe. Clearly, ExxonMobil knows how to spell the word gas. But as you can tell in this example, whenever you're dealing with humans, we're very error prone and we misspell words, common and uncommon. Another common example of errors we find are duplicate words, to, the, and. We catch those, as well as all of the broken links, both internal and also external, shown in some of these examples. And so that's the process. It's easy as 1, 2, 3.